What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to get this smoke tutorial in CS2 that's built in. This is only on train so far, so this is as of November 2024. They may add this in a future update, but let me just leave this game and then show you how to get this yourself. So yes, leave match. So we'll go to play, we'll select practice up here, and then we'll pick competitive. And you'll see train has a unique setting right here. So if I click on another map, for example, any other map, that one's not going to show. But when I click train, this load map guide is showing, and you're going to want to select this because you get infinite ammo, infinite warm-up, and a grenade camera. So you can chuck as many smokes as you want just to practice, and you don't have to enable all those commands I was telling you in other videos, which are these pretty much. They give you this. So anyways, enough rambling. We'll click go, and we'll load back into what I was just showing you. So let's go T side because smokes are important on T side here. And we'll try this Ivy smoke first. So you'll see it says come into this gold circle, look up at the sky. They may be red initially. You want to make sure they're gold and then point your reticle right where it's saying. Follow the instructions. So I'm going to do a jump smoke, and you'll see that actually smokes off Ivy perfectly. There's a little target there too. Okay, so there's another one. Let's do this long dog smoke. Push into this corner. And then you'll see this is actually using the grenade reticle, which is something they added. So you have to hold, and then you'll see the reticle. So it says put it on -1 on the dog's eye right there. And just like that, we have smoked off Pop Dog. Yeah, so you're going to be using that reticle for quite a few of these. Like for example, this one we're lining up again. Let's get that gold first. Oh my god. Alright. And then it says put it on -2x and then jump throw. This one's a little harder. Alright. And this is supposed to smoke off Z. Oh, it does. Very nice. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Play with it yourself. There are some on CT side, I believe, so hopefully you found this video helpful. Drop any questions you got in the comments, and drop a like if you found it helpful. I already said that. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.